If you've been searching for the perfect car, one that blends practicality, comfort, and just the right touch of modern style, then your search ends right here, because the 2026 Honda HR-V has arrived to make life easier, safer, and a whole lot more enjoyable. Think of it as that sweet spot between an everyday commuter and a weekend adventure buddy. It's small enough to handle tight city streets, yet roomy and versatile enough to carry the people and things that matter most. And let's be real, in today's world, who doesn't want a car that can do it all without breaking the bank? The first thing you notice about the 2026 HR-V is how sharp it looks. Honda has been refining its design language, and the HR-V wears it beautifully. The front fascia is bold and modern, with sleek LED headlights that stretch confidently into the grille, giving it a sophisticated face. The profile is smooth and athletic, with just the right amount of sculpting so it looks sporty without trying too hard. Around back, the taillights have a futuristic touch, wrapping across the rear in a way that makes it instantly recognizable. It's stylish, but it's not shouting for attention, more like the kind of car that makes people say, "Hey, that looks good," without even realizing why. Step inside, and you can feel Honda's focus on comfort and simplicity. The cabin is clean, practical, and welcoming, with high-quality materials and just enough tech to keep you connected without overwhelming you. The dash is streamlined with a large touchscreen front and center, supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so your phone integrates seamlessly. Physical buttons are still there for climate control, because Honda knows sometimes you just want to twist a knob instead of digging through a menu. The seats are supportive, whether you're running errands around town or cruising on the highway for hours. And let's not forget about Honda's magic seat flexibility in the back. Fold the rear seats flat, flip them up, or split them however you need, and suddenly you've got cargo space that rivals much bigger SUVs. Groceries, bikes, plants, or even your dog's crate, it all fits. Performance-wise, the HR-V keeps things efficient and easygoing. Expect a 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine under the hood, delivering reliable power for daily driving, paired with a smooth CVT transmission. It's not about blistering speed, this car is about confidence and comfort. The 2026 model is also expected to feature hybrid options, giving drivers even better fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. And with available all-wheel drive, you've got the traction you need for rainy days, snowy roads, or a spontaneous weekend hike off the beaten path. Driving the HR-V feels approachable and light, perfect for city life but stable enough for highways. The steering is responsive, the suspension soaks up bumps nicely, and the visibility is excellent, something Honda has always nailed. It's the kind of car that makes driving stress-free, whether you're parallel parking downtown or heading out of town for a road trip. Of course, safety is a huge part of the HR-V's appeal. The 2026 model is loaded with Honda Sensing, a suite of driver assist features designed to keep you and your family safe. That means adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, collision mitigation braking, and blind spot monitoring. It's like having an extra set of eyes on the road at all times. And here's the kicker, Honda manages to include these features without making the car feel like it's driving itself. You're still in control, but you've got backup when you need it. Now, here's the exciting part, this isn't just a car for one type of person. It's versatile enough for young professionals buying their first SUV, families who need space without going too big, or retirees looking for something reliable and easy to handle. And if you enjoyed this review and want more honest, exciting car stories, don't forget to hit that subscribe button right here on Car Hub. We've got plenty more rides to explore together, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.